So we're here in downtown Vancouver, Washington again at the Yard Milkshake Bar. They make this there. This place was seen on Shark Tank. Look at this milkshake, you'll know why. We ordered the Cosmic Brownie. I'll put up there on the screen what's actually on it. I don't know what's on it. I don't remember. It looks amazing. Smells fantastic. All that's left is to try it. This guy right here, and you get to keep the glass mason jar with it, was like 20 bucks. I'm pretty good with that. All that's left is to dive in.
Don't look, I just keep pushing. Is it clean now? Or did I just smear it?
It's everything you'd expect so far. Whipped cream, M&Ms, and a little, I'm guessing brownie batter on the rim to hold the M&Ms on. We need to get into this brownie before we get down to the actual milkshake part. Now, I'm not really a fan of brownies, but that's more like a brownie cookie dough type of taste and texture thing. Not hard like a brownie, more like think a cookie dough, brownie flavored cookie dough. It's pretty good. So we're gonna finish what's on top here and then get into the guts of that jar, get into that ice cream, get into that milkshake. All right, we cleared all the obstacles that are preventing us from getting to the center of that milkshake. And that's what it looks like. A little full, I spilled some. That's because it's always full. You can still see we got the M&Ms around the rim and that brownie batter. We just got to get a bite of the milkshake in the jar. So it's not thick like I like my milkshakes. It's a little runny, as you saw. But inside, it seems like we've got more of those little balls of brownie flavored cookie dough seeming whatever that is. Oh, that's pretty pleasant. It's a pretty darn good milkshake so far, even for being runny, and I like them super thick. Now you can see the varying coloring in here that they do. It's pretty cool. It's just for show. Doesn't really make much of a difference in the taste. The biggest part of the taste is really the decoration on the rim, what that is, the whipped cream topping, and then the brownie batter they put inside. Beyond that, nothing super special, but all that by itself makes this a fantastic milkshake. So be sure to check out the Yard Milkshake Bar. There's locations all over the country. The only one I know of in the Pacific Northwest is here in Vancouver, Washington. I'll put links to the Yard Milkshake Bar and what they do in the description box below. Check them out. Anyway, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.